At Almarai, we are always striving for operational excellence. We began a discussion with SIG Combi Block Obican to implement a customised solution with the goal of increasing workforce efficiency.
We took on this challenge to improve Almarai's total system output, while leveraging the existing tools we have and implementing customized methods. We focused our efforts on eliminating losses. With implementing the manufacturing excellence solution, we were able to deliver results while leveraging the power of digitalization.
In the first quarter of 2020, we deployed a team of 6 people on top of the customer-dedicated 14 engineers to the Almarai plant in Saudi Arabia. The solution implementation began by highlighting the elements that were preventing production from operating at optimum performance.
One of our requests to SIG Combi Block Obican was that our machine had to continue operating, especially during Ramadan.
By fully utilizing our digital tools, we were able to make great improvements. In this case, the productivity has increased by 5%. The overall line utilization has increased by more than 30% compared to August 2019. The main contributors to this enhancement were the reduction in technical losses and machine downtime, and improvements in preparation time.
Asset Performance Management, or APM, via the use of the SIG Plant 360 system, gave us a day-to-day insight into the operations and allowed us to understand filling line health in real time. Our field service management reports have been a key element in understanding performance and spare part consumption, thereby allowing better allocation of our field service engineers and spare parts.
Automated daily reports by the Reliability Center robots enabled us to understand factors such as preparation time, uptime, and breakdown time, and ultimately improve the overall equipment effectiveness.
Remote support by SIG Combi Block Obican is a revolutionary new way to receive assistance remotely. Our team of experts simultaneously utilize live data and augmented reality tools to solve technical problems. This was a massive advantage during the Corona lockdown when there was no access to the plant.
We are very satisfied with the result of joint effort between SIG Combi Block and Almarai. These increases in output that have been generated since the start of the program have been delayed our requirement to invest in new lines.
We would like to praise the team that has serviced Almarai. We appreciate the commitment. It has fully demonstrated a real partnership with a world-class supplier.